In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tag color on Asana. If you've ever found yourself wanting to organize your tasks more effectively, changing tag colors can be a simple yet powerful way to do just that. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we need to head over to the Asana website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. Easy enough, right? Now, Asana will give you a few options to log in, but let's keep it simple. Click on Continue with Google and pick your Google account from the list. This streamlined process means you won't have to remember another password. Hooray for simplicity! Once you're inside, navigate to the project that you're working on. Just a heads up, projects are the central hub of your task management in Asana, so being familiar with this step is super handy for future tasks as well. Now, within the project, you're going to see a list of tasks. Go ahead and click on the specific task that has the tag you want to change. Tags are an excellent way to add context to tasks, so updating their colors can improve your workflow by making it visually more coherent. Now that you're inside the task, look for the tag and click on it. Clicking here essentially opens up more options for that tag. Once you've done that, turn your attention to the top header where you'll see the tag's drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down to access its various settings. In the drop-down menu, there will be an option that says Set Color. Clicking on this will open up a palette of colors for you to choose from. This is where you can really make your task management vibrant and organized. Choose the new color that you'd like for your tag, and just like that, the color of your tag will be updated. Pick colors that resonate with you or your team's theme for better visual appeal and easier tracking. By following these steps, you can effectively change the color of your tags in Asana. Remember, organizing your tasks isn't just about getting things done. It's about structuring your digital workspace in a way that feels intuitive and facilitates productivity. So take advantage of these visual elements to help you and your team stay on top of your projects. And there you have it. Now you know how to change tag colors in Asana. This is just one of many ways to customize your workspace to fit your personal or team style better. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making your workflow as efficient as possible.